Oh, my. It's okay. I don't want you to say. Whoa, hello. Don't bite me. Would he let me pet him on his neck?
Comes the
Would he let me pet him on his neck?
yeah.
He won't bite me, will he? You can't hold his neck for him.
He's holding his neck. He'll hold his neck down and come on his back a little bit. See?
I don't think she likes him. Dang it! What? I can't help but laugh. Oh, you're getting a little too close. Hey, stop!